All right, so we're down in this area called Las Uvas, and I'm just gonna walk down a minute, see if I can find a restroom. Very, very pretty. There's some swimming. It's very choppy though, lots of like algae and stuff, and then rundown condos. Yeah, a lot of expats live down here. I'm gonna walk down here and see if I can find a toilet because I gotta pee really bad. I should probably just pee behind a palm tree or something. Anyway, the weather's perfect. It's beautiful weather, not humid, not cold or anything. Lots of nice little restaurants and bars. The only thing is I don't have a wetsuit, so I need to get the company to give me a wetsuit tomorrow because I didn't bring one and I don't even own one. I own like a short wetsuit, but they didn't order one for me. So let me get down here. Yeah, it's kind of like island development. It's like beautiful like mansions and then like nothing, but this is cute. Yeah, I guess when it's busy, yeah, Las Uvas, I guess when it's busy down here you can like set this up. It's kind of cute. I mean, it's not as like decrepit as I thought it, like, you know, trashy as I thought it would be. I mean, there's trash on the ground, but anyway, so let me run down here and see if there's a baño. Donde está los baños? Donde está el baño? There's beer, seafood, Mexican food. Okay, and then I'll walk back up. So we're just waiting for my friend's phone to get some charge. So yeah, let's go down here. But yeah, it's nice. You know, it's not very like tropical feeling, but I don't really feel like I'm in Mexico either. Let me see if maybe El Baño is down here. Gonna get my Spanish going. But yeah, just do a little bit of a walk. Went to the supermarket, got a really good fish taco and pastor taco lunch, and probably gonna chill the rest of the night, just kind of relax. And we're gonna dive tomorrow morning, so I don't think this is open. Everything's closed. All right, so I might be officially trespassing, but they said it's only like the pharmacy down here, but there might be a bathroom. I don't think that's a bathroom in there. I think, yeah, I don't think anything's open. El Baño. Yep. Okay, in here. Madonna. Yeah, that's all closed. It's okay. I can hold it. It's fine. It definitely has a stark difference between Costa Rica and here, because Costa Rica, everything's got like electric fences and you just, you know, can't leave anything unlocked or any windows open or anything. And here, I mean, it's Mexico, but you know, very different feeling than when I was in Costa Rica. A little less, you know, I don't know, prison-like. All right, so there's me. This is our kitchen. Very nice, air-conditioned. We have water. And here's the sitting area, massive television. And there's my view for the next 5 days. Absolutely beautiful. Really pretty. And then over here, bedroom. Afternoon. We've got British chocolate bars. All right, I've made myself 2 iced chais because I bought ice. So anyway, so this is the apartment. Got our fins. I just kind of threw everything down. Anyway, this is outside. Got the wetsuits. We're gonna dive tomorrow. It's getting hotter now. It's not as cold as when we all got here, but that's it. So yeah, so we got that. There's people down at the pool, a couple people down there. And yeah, just kind of enjoying the nice weather. It's hot today though. I went over to Playa del Carmen, which is all just like souvenir shops. I had a really good breakfast. I had an omelet, a vegetable omelet, which actually had vegetables in it. It actually had real vegetables. This is my backpack here. Had real vegetables. And we've got everybody's shoes down there. So yeah, so the vegetables were like actual like broccoli and carrots, and never had that in an omelet before, but it was good. It's more of a frittata. So anyway, so yeah, so down here, this is the other room. The cleaning ladies came in, cleaned everything, so that's nice. So yeah, and there's our view outside. So this is great. Really nice to have an apartment. There's the cars. Have an apartment here is much better than having a resort or a hotel. You just kind of come home. So have a kitchen and everything. And then there's a bunch of stuff people have left over the times that they've been here. We've got like all different things in here. We've got, you know, like Advil batteries, antiviral, I don't know, whatever that is. What is that stuff? I have no idea. Congestion, that's it, like Sudafed. So I guess like if you're diving, sometimes you might need Sudafed. And then they've got whatever, sunscreen. I don't use sunscreen. I just don't go in the sun. And then you've got other stuff, aprons and all of this stuff. Yeah, really nice. Anyway, okay. All right, well, let me drink my chai. I'm gonna relax and chill. And that's it. Maybe take a nap for a little bit, take a shower, and then I think we're all heading downtown to go to a really nice restaurant to watch the sunset at 6:30. So that'll be great. So I've got to charge everything for tomorrow. I've got my GoPro over here. I forgot to press record, but yeah, so I'll record everything tomorrow, pack up another day bag. Still got the sand and everything on there. Everything's covered in sand. This is my GoPro cover, or GoPro handle thing. These are my goggles here, my bracelets, no necklaces and things, so I can look a little more beachy. And yeah, I just kind of sprawled everything. I'm more of a like lateral person when I go somewhere. I just kind of let everything out. So unlike, you know, in van life, everything's tucked away, but when I get somewhere, I'm like, I have space. But anyway, so yeah. Okay, cool. All right, well, that's it. Let me go drink my chai, chill in the little sun here. Maybe pull this down a little bit because the sun is quite intense. Does this go in? Yeah, that goes down. So I'm gonna chill here and then watch the boats. Yesterday, the cruise ship actually had the nerve of eating up the what is it, the sunset. And there's another dive ship there, little boat going out for a dive. And we're gonna leave at 7:30 tomorrow morning. So, you know, we'll go do our last 2 dives and that'll be great. It took like a whole day for my face to not be having lines in it from the mask, but it's been good. It's been a nice trip. I'm exhausted. That's why everyone's kind of gone down to different places. Some have gone for a walk and a couple at the pool, and I'm just, you know, gonna stay up here in the air conditioning and chill for a bit because I'm a little tired. So that's it. Okay, bye.